These are the 3 birds with the weirdest sounds in the world, and the last one, its sound is like a weapon. Number 1. Kiwi. This small bird from New Zealand can't fly, but its sound, it's like a lonely alarm whistle in the middle of the night. Number 2. Horn screamer. Its call is loud, hoarse, and sharp like a malfunctioning train horn. Before we continue, if you love unique and absurd content like this, hit like and subscribe right now. Number 3. Shoebill. A large bird from Africa with a shoe-shaped beak, a gaze like an executioner, and a voice that sounds like a weapon.